Hello friends, this is Chandra B.F.A again from KACC Kalamandiram Arts and Crafts classes. Yes, friends, in connection with World Environment Day, in the previous class we had learned to make some flowers like lilies and lotuses. Now today we'll learn to make a jumping frog, something like this. Jumping frog. Now why frog? Because mostly you find frogs in and around the lotus pond. Why so? Because they love to play with mud. They like muddy water, and as you know, lotuses are found in muddy water. You must have heard the famous saying Kichad ki Kali. So these are found in muddy water, and wherever lotuses are there, you do find some frogs jumping here and there, big and small. So let's learn to make a frog now. See friends, I got this along with my t-shirt, new t-shirt, Zacard paper. I have pasted glazed marble paper on this side, not found nowadays. On one side it will be white, so I have pasted the brown side, and here a white sheet. You can, for the inner body, you can always paste a light brown or yellow sheet. I preferred white. Now the measurement goes like this. Overall it is of 9 inches lengthwise and 4 inches widthwise, divided this way, that is 1 inch plus 1 inch, 2 inches for the first folds, then 5 inches for the main body, 1 inch plus 1 inch for the folds on the rear side. Okay. Now, how do you fold it? You can use the dividers from your geometry box, then draw lines like this thrice so that it becomes very easy to fold. Now let's fold and see. This side also. Why am I using the white side? Because here you can see the lines, not here unless you have a white pencil. Okay. Now I folded this way. Here again, after folding, you may use these. Use a tweezer or your fingers. Then create some designs like this. Fix them on the body. Anyway, anyhow, there are no rules on the entire body. And whatever the cut, I have cut more than half an inch here and half an inch here, more than half an inch, a bit less than 1 inch. And this is a bit more than 1 inch wide, 1 inch and 2 lines. And I drew inclined lines like this, oblique lines, and cut them for the face, or you can say mouth. Now after fixing all these designs on the body, you may fix ready-made eyes like this, or you are free to create eyes like this with a sketch pen. It's left to you. You may also use a black bindi if you want. Oh, he's in a jumping mode already. This should synchronize with the other one. both should be equal. Now let's make them jump. Come on, froggy, jump. Oh, he jumps very happily and making a lot of noise too. He's a bit slow, no harm. In olden times when the toys were not available, nowadays many soft toys are also available. Parents used to create such toys on their own to make children happy, and they were quite cheap for middle class parents, and children also used to enjoy. So thank you for watching this entire video. If you like my videos, please give a like and hit the bell button and subscribe to our channel called KACC Creator. Meet you again in the next video with a more interesting topic or as interesting as this. Till then, Shubha Dinam.